Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly forgotten exactly why you entered? It is a quiet, frustrating moment that many of us face daily. At 65, we often accept this mental haze as a natural part of aging, a fading light that we simply cannot avoid as the years pass. It feels like driving through a thick fog where the road ahead is blurred, and your wipers are simply not enough to clear the vision anymore. Your brain is trying to process information, but a layer of cognitive mist is blocking the signals, making every simple thought feel like a heavy chore. You search for a familiar name or the place where you left your keys, but the memory remains just out of reach, hidden behind that curtain. But what if I told you there is a simple, tasteless golden drop that can act like a high-powered wiper for your mind's foggy windshield today? This isn't just another supplement. It is a rapid-acting fuel that targets the very cells responsible for your memory and focus from the first sip. Your mental clarity hasn't vanished forever. It is merely obscured by biological debris that your body is currently struggling to clear away on its own. Today, we will reveal how to rediscover that sharpness, ensuring your golden years are lived with a mind that is as bright as the morning sun. Time is precious, and every moment of clarity counts. Let's explore how one small change to your morning routine can transform your entire cognitive experience. The solution is simpler than you think, hidden within the science of healthy fats that your brain has been desperately craving for a very long time. Think of your brain like a classic vintage car. Over decades, the neurons, the spark plugs of your memory, become coated in metabolic soot and free radicals. This coating slows down the electrical signals, leading to what doctors call brain fog. Your thoughts become sluggish, and your reactions start to lose their edge. To fix this, you don't need more caffeine or sugar. You need a specific type of biological lubricant to wash away that stubborn, gray neural film. Specialized fats like MCTs and phospholipids act as a molecular cloth, repairing the cell membranes and restoring the high-speed communication your brain once had easily. It is exactly like wiping a dirty lens. As soon as the golden drop enters your system, it begins the process of polishing your internal mental hardware. The world becomes vivid again. Information starts to flow without resistance, and the mental fatigue that plagued your mornings begins to lift almost immediately. This isn't magic, it's biochemistry. By providing the right raw materials, you are allowing your brain to perform the maintenance it has been needing for years. These fats are the building blocks of every single brain cell. Without them, the structure becomes brittle, but with them, the structure becomes resilient and fast. Imagine your thoughts traveling at the speed of light once more, no longer getting stuck in the traffic jams of a tired and aging nervous system. Your brain is a machine that requires the highest grade of fuel to operate. Most people feed it low-grade sugar, which causes more mental friction. By switching to these specific fats, you are essentially upgrading your brain's processing power, allowing for sharper focus and much better retention of new information. Organization returns to your mind. You no longer feel overwhelmed by multiple tasks because your brain has the energy to handle them all with ease. This golden fuel goes straight to the mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, boosting energy production without the crash associated with caffeine or sugar. The cloud of confusion dissipates, leaving behind a calm and capable mind that is ready to engage with the world and its many beautiful challenges. You are reclaiming your cognitive sovereignty. This is the foundation of staying independent and sharp as you continue your journey through the golden years. What exactly is this golden drop? Scientifically, we are talking about medium-chain triglycerides, or MCT oil, often sourced from pure, high-quality coconuts. Unlike other fats, MCTs are unique. They are processed differently by your body, offering a shortcut to energy that bypassed the usual slow digestion routes. As we age, our brains often become insulin-resistant, meaning they can no longer effectively use glucose, the sugar-based fuel most people rely on daily. Think of glucose as a rusty key that no longer fits the lock of your brain's energy door. You are essentially starving your neurons of power. MCT oil provides ketones, which are like a master backup key. They unlock the energy door instantly, even when the glucose pathway is completely broken. Ketones cross the blood-brain barrier with incredible speed, They provide a clean, efficient burn that doesn't produce the toxic byproducts that sugars often do. Running your brain on glucose at 70 is like using a flickering candle to read. Ketones are like switching on a bright, steady LED light. This fuel is calorie-dense but functionally used for the mind. It doesn't get stored as fat. Instead, it is sacrificed by the liver for energy. The most powerful form is C8 caprylic acid. It converts to brain fuel faster than any other fat, making it the gold standard for cognitive health. When combined with phospholipids, which rebuild the cell's physical walls, you create a dual-action system that both powers and repairs the brain at once. This is why people report waking up after just one dose. Their brain finally has the raw materials it needs to perform its basic duties. It is a biological upgrade that works with your body's natural chemistry, filling the energy gap that time and diet have slowly created over years. One drop, 1 teaspoon, one simple habit. The science is clear. Your brain prefers this fuel as you age to maintain its youthful vitality. Decades of research back this up. It is the secret tool used by biohackers, and now it is available for every senior looking to stay sharp. Turn your morning coffee into a cognitive tonic. Let's look at exactly how to prepare this golden ritual for the best possible results. The ritual is simple, taking only 30 seconds of your morning, yet its impact can last for the entire day of focused mental activity. Start with your favorite black coffee. As you add the golden oil, watch as it dances on the surface, ready to blend into a powerful elixir. Don't just pour and drink, stir gently. The goal is to emulsify the fats, breaking them down so your body can absorb them even faster. This process creates a creamy texture without the need for dairy or sugar, preserving the rich, bold flavor of the coffee you love so much. If you are new to this, start small. 1 teaspoon is all you need for the first week to let your digestive system adapt comfortably. Gradually increase the dose to a full tablespoon as your body learns to thrive on this new, high-octane energy source every single morning. Feel the warmth spreading through your body. This is more than a drink. It is a signal to your brain that it's time to wake up. Pair this ritual with the morning light. The combination of ketones and natural sunlight helps reset your internal clock for maximum daytime alertness. Quality matters. Ensure you choose a pure C8 MCT oil that is colorless and odorless so it doesn't interfere with your coffee's natural aroma. You are honoring your morning tradition while upgrading it with the latest science, creating a bridge between the past and a bright, clear future. For a latte-like experience, use a small frother. The froth traps the MCT molecules, making them even easier for your stomach to process and use. This 30-second act is an investment in your independence. It ensures that your mind stays as sharp as your spirit throughout the entire day. Consistency is the key to success. Make this your golden rule every morning, and your brain will thank you with newfound clarity and focus. No more morning grogginess. No more searching for words, just a clean, steady stream of energy that keeps you feeling young and incredibly sharp. The ritual is complete. Now watch as the world around you comes into sharper focus, and your memory begins to fire on all cylinders again. Imagine 3 months from now. You are sitting with your grandson, playing chess, and you see the winning move 3 turns before he does. The hesitation is gone. The tip of the tongue moments have vanished. You feel a sense of mental mastery that you thought was lost forever. You drive with confidence, knowing exactly where you are going. You no longer fear getting lost in familiar neighborhoods or forgetting your shopping list. This is the power of a clear mind. It gives you back your independence. It allows you to be the active, present leader of your family. You are no longer a passenger in your own life. You are the pilot. You absorb information easily, whether it's a new book or a conversation. You are the storyteller, the keeper of family history, and your memories are now crisp, clear, and ready to be shared with the next generation. Mental clarity is the foundation of a joyful life. When you can think clearly, you can dream again, regardless of the number on your birthday. The fear of fading away is replaced by the excitement of living fully. Every day becomes an opportunity to learn, grow, and connect with loved ones. Independence is not just about physical strength. It is about the sovereignty of your mind. It is the greatest gift you can give to yourself. Stay sharp, stay relevant, and stay engaged. Your wisdom is a treasure, and with a clear mind, you can continue to share it with everyone. One small change, one golden drop, ripples through every aspect of your life, bringing light to the dark corners of forgetfulness and confusion today. The power to change your cognitive future is in your hands right now. It starts with a simple commitment to yourself and your brain health. Are you ready to commit to this 90-day journey? Are you ready to clear the fog and find the person you used to be again? If you are ready, comment "I commit" below. Let this be the day you decide that your mind deserves the very best fuel available. Don't forget to subscribe to Senior Nutrition. We are dedicated to helping you make your golden years the most vibrant and intelligent of your life. Every morning is a new chance to sharpen your mind. We will be here with more science-backed tips to keep you thriving and staying independent. You have the wisdom of a lifetime. Now you have the fuel to use it. Go ahead, add that golden drop to your coffee tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. May your mind be clear, your memory be sharp, and your days be filled with the light of true understanding. Until next time, keep fueling your brilliance. We wish you a day full of light, laughter, and perfect clarity in everything you choose to do.